Hey, just wanted to get a quick tip for those who are using Krita. The page you're looking at is a photograph I took from the Camilla Pop manga coloring book, and I noticed there was a lot of Procreate and other programs that show how to color on top of this, but it doesn't work here in Krita. What you have to do is, of course, just like the other ones, you do have to go on levels to adjust everything so that you can get what you want in terms of the line art. Usually I just like my line art to look really faint. But to color on top of this line art, you have to not go into multiply or overlay. You have to go into screen. And then you can color underneath the page, as I am about to show you. That way you can color underneath it, but you're not messing with the line art whatsoever. I just figured that would be a very useful way for people who are using Krita to be able to color pages without having to worry about coloring on top of the actual page. Because see, you can still see the actual line art, but you're coloring underneath it.